Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down.
So we're going to be using a tool called Cheat Engine to pull this off. So you can get Cheat Engine from this site, cheatengine.org. It's basically just a tool for finding memory addresses. So yeah, download it if you don't have it already, and just install it. Say no to any of the extra bloatware it wants to install. So what I was wondering, this is basically going to be how to find this value that I be posting on this GitHub, which can be used with Cheat Engine, me.ptl. So yeah. So the first thing you want to do is you want to just get the version you want to use. You can use my archive of every version ever, or you can get it from the official site if there's a new update just came out. And so once you have the version, you just want to install it. So I'm going to be using 1.12.5 UWP. The process is exactly the same for the Win32 versions, by the way. So now that's done, we can get into cracking the game using Cheat Engine. But first, we need to talk about parallel universes. When you're on the login screen for Minecraft Education Edition, the game is checking every frame a variable that is known as the login step variable. When you're on the main screen in versions greater than 1.12.0, that value is 1. When you're on the sign-in screen, where it says sign-in required and this window opens, that value is 4. And there's a few other values for this, such as when it can't connect to the server and whatever, but the important one is 8. When it is 8, it means I have logged in, and please take me into the game. Great, glad that's explained. Now let's get back to hacking Minecraft Education Edition. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open up Cheat Engine, and then you want to open up Minecraft Education Edition. And then you want to attach Cheat Engine into Minecraft Education Edition, like this. Now, remember what I was saying about login step values. On the welcome screen, on 1.12.0 and above, this, right now, the login step value is 1, because you're on this screen. So, you want to search for a 1. Okay. Now, here's all the 1s. Now we found 800,000 results here, so we could search through this all manually, but that would take forever. So instead, we can actually narrow this down. So we know when we click on sign in that the value changes to a 4. So let's put a 4 in here and go next scan. Okay, and now we only have a couple. We only have 6 left, so that's much better. That's much easier to work through. So we know that now it will be 1, so we only want to do ones that change to 1. So we just want to change this one to 8. Nope. Try this one, 8. Nope. This one, 8. Yes. So that one took us to the title screen when we changed it to 8. So we know this is the memory address we're after. So this is great, but this will break as soon as we close the program, because the memory layout will be different when we start up again. So, in order to make it permanent, we need to find a pointer path. So, we want to right click this and go pointer scan for this address. Okay? And then you just want to click OK on the default settings. Save this somewhere, so pointer map. I'm going to make a pointer map 7 because I've got quite a few of these in here. Okay, and so generate a pointer map. So now we have this huge list of pointer paths. And only a few of them will actually be reliable enough to be used with my program. So we basically forgot which one's more reliable. The easiest way to do it is just to close Minecraft. And then open it again. And then attach Cheat Engine into it again, keeping the current address code, yes. Okay, And now we just need to find this again. So we know the point. We know if it's 1. The first one. 800,000 results. Okay, sign in. Now it's 4. Only 4 results. Great. 8. 8. 8. There we go. So we know this is the new address. So you take this address, copy it, point to the scanner, rescan memory, address defined, put that in, click OK. And now make a new pointer map. And this will create, this is now things that were the same across both ones. And you can keep doing that as many times as you want until you've got enough. Now, here's the thing. You want to make sure that you don't use one of these thread stack ones. You want to use one that's from Minecraft Windows. So, you can click this to sort by the base address, and if you scroll down, you will just get Minecraft Windows ones. So now you basically just want to take a few of these. Now, you don't want to take them close together. You want to take them from. You want to take ones that are completely different to each other. Because if one of these doesn't work and you take it, then chances are all of ones that are very close to it are also not going to work. So you see these ones here ends in like 180. We might take like 2 of those. Might take some of these ones here, take it in like 288. This one here ends in 0. This one ends in 470. Might take this A81, you know. Just ones that look different are the ones you want to kind of put in the yes. So maybe some of these, 288s. 478. CA8, you know. Just get a few of those in. And now, you basically just, these should all match the value. And when you close the game and open it again, it's a very common theme to this. You just close the game and open it again. Okay, now you attach Cheat Engine to the process. Keep the current address code, yes. You will see a bunch of these. This one here looks like that one, but you see a bunch of these are pointing to nonsense now, so we can remove those ones because they're not reliable. But you see now these all should point to the thing. So now we've got these pointer paths. So now the last thing to do is to put them into my program. So here it is, the pointer file. So we basically just want to close the game out and edit this, and then just input one from over here. So let's try this first one. So you know, not all of these will work. Some of these will only work once the game's already initialized. You want one that works before the game's initialized, or as it initializes. So you'll see in here, okay, 98, well, C 8 98 58 480 0. Okay, so yeah, you just basically map out whatever you put in here into here, save it, and then open the program. And now if you open up Minecraft Education Edition, if you're lucky, it'll work. You see that one there? It did work. So yeah, that's pretty great. So we know that pointer path works perfectly now, right? It works right from before the game even starts up. So you might run into one that doesn't, and if you do, you usually just try a different one until it does work. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you crack Minecraft Education Edition. So thank you all for watching. Goodbye.